SAP's AI-powered Extended Warehouse Management solution addresses one of the most pressing challenges in logistics today: labor shortages and increasing delivery demands. Our latest AI innovation brings predictive intelligence to warehouse operations, learning from your actual workflow patterns to forecast task durations. These AI capabilities seamlessly integrate into your existing warehouse processes, providing immediate value while building the foundation for even more powerful predictive planning capabilities coming in 2025. This will help to address labor shortage challenges in logistic warehousing areas. Let's check how we predict warehouse task execution times. A simple process begins when an outbound delivery is created, which triggers the creation of warehouse tasks and warehouse orders for picking. After the goods are picked, they are moved to the packing stations for packing and label printing. Then the next step is to move them to the staging area for loading the trucks. Now, let's talk about our FP3 release capabilities in the context of this process. This feature will be released in 2 phases. Phase 1 launches in FP3 with Phase 2 coming in 2025. The system records the actual execution times for each warehouse task that is executed by RF picking and packing and saves them to the workload database. Precise timing data is recorded by scanner devices, and the system saves each task according to multiple attributes. For new outbound deliveries, the system predicts task durations using historical data. It also gives a prediction of task duration for those outbound deliveries before the task creation. For example, if similar picking tasks averaged 4 minutes, it predicts a comparable duration. This completes our FP3 delivery features. Now let's preview our 2025 plan capabilities. These time predictions are the foundation for full-day forecasting. Our forecasting algorithm combines individual task predictions to estimate total daily workload. The system anticipates durations for both planned and potential tasks. It also predicts additional outbound deliveries that may occur. Forecasts extend multiple days into the future. The system also provides trend forecasting capabilities. This capability requires extended historical data collection. With more data, the system will be able to give trend analysis or seasonal forecast. These features are planned for a future release in 2025. If we look at the technical side of FPS3 features, the historical workload is stored in a confirmed pick and pack task table. These recorded times from scanning, even brief ones, form the basis for future predictions using AI capabilities. Now let's see how the system predicts its processing time. A new outbound delivery is created in EWM. This outbound delivery has one item of product, Prod S01, and the quantity is 1 each. As you can see, the picking task has not yet been created for this delivery. We'll check the warehouse monitor for the planned workload prediction. The system automatically generates a workload prediction when the delivery is created. Even before warehouse tasks exist, the system predicts required steps and its duration, for picking and potentially also for packing. Based on historical data, the system predicts a picking time of 9.6 minutes and packing time of 8.1 minutes. These initial predictions are refined as the process continues, because the exact picking location is not yet determined. Predictions become more precise once warehouse tasks are created. Similarly, packing predictions will be refined once requirements are confirmed. Now let's create warehouse tasks. The system has identified the specific source bin location. We now know both source and destination locations for the goods. This enables more accurate time predictions. The system replaces the initial delivery estimation with specific task predictions. Let's check the updated warehouse task predictions. The picking time estimate has been refined to 8.4 minutes. Now, we also know that packing will happen. The packing estimate is now 10.8 minutes based on confirmed requirements. This prediction exists even before the packing task is created. The planned workload can also be displayed at the warehouse order level. Theoretically, if a warehouse order contains multiple warehouse tasks, the planned workload will be summarized here. The system also shows staging and loading times, which are not yet AI-calculated predictions. These times are fixed values set in system configuration. For example, we've set loading and staging to 5 and 10 minutes each. These placeholder times provide complete process visibility and might be expanded to the AI prediction scope in the future. In FP3, AI predictions are only available for picking and packing operations. We can expect AI-enabled features in 2025, like machine learning-enabled forecasts, trend analysis, and more. As you've seen, SAP's AI-powered warehouse management solution brings unprecedented visibility and predictive capability to your operations. By learning from your actual warehouse activities, the system continuously improves its predictions, helping you optimize staffing, meet delivery commitments, and adapt to changing demands. This is just one example of how SAP is embedding AI across our solution portfolio to deliver immediate business value while building toward an even more intelligent future.